Welcome to Looking at the Markets. I want to show you the charts that I'll be looking at over the coming week. These are daily candlestick charts provided by finviz.com. I want to start with a Warren Buffett stock, Occidental Petroleum, OXY stock. Look at this gradually inclined channel here. There's a channel with a support line and a resistance line, and they're trending upward, but not so steeply upward that I'm worried about, buying after a parabolic vertical move. Okay, a gradually increasing inclining channel. I like this. And look at OXY stock. It's nicely sitting at the bottom of that channel. This is great. Technically, this looks really great. Now, don't buy a stock just because I like it. Make your own decisions, do your own due diligence, of course, but look at how many times this has respected the channel, bounced right off of these levels. Okay, so this one is looking technically pretty darn good. You can do what you want, but I'll be looking at this one for next week for sure. Also, it's a Warren Buffett stock, so how bad could it be, right? Although you don't want to worship anybody, including Warren Buffett. You want to make your own decisions. Amazon stock. Yes, okay, we have a falling wedge here. I get it. But it is Amazon, huge company. And I like the way it's holding $84. Actually, it landed at $84 perfectly on Friday. So this is holding a very nice level. I'm liking this one as well. I'm usually not this enthusiastic about stocks, so many of them, but we have some good looking ones here. Now Walmart, WMT stock, I want this to come down. We have a rising support level here. And also a symmetrical triangle if you look at this line here and then that line. But mainly I'm looking just at the support. It's really respecting that support level here. I want to see it come down. So where's it going to land? I don't know. It's a rising support level, so I don't know where it would land. If it does, maybe in the 130s, I'm thinking. So that could be pretty good. So I'm going to keep watching Walmart stock. Apple stock. This is one that I've traded many times. And look at that. FinViz totally could have put a support level right here at 130. Look at that bounce off of 130. Boom, right? So now it's back down there and seems to be holding 130, give or take a few pennies. Landed almost at 130 on Friday. This is looking really good. I like Apple stock here. Crowdstrike, CRWD. What a picture-perfect bounce off of 100, almost exactly. On the other hand, you've got a fast-falling narrow channel here with this line and this line. Lower highs, lower lows. So I just want to see this behave a little bit better. Yeah, it bounced off of 100, but it's not a huge bounce. So I'm going to keep watching this. It's a nice price for Crowdstrike stock, CRWD, but oof, could print another lower high, lower low. Wouldn't surprise me. So I'm just going to keep watching. You don't have to trade everything you see. You can just watch some things. GM, General Motors stock, you probably can see where I want this, right? $31 looks like. That is strong support here. Bounced off of it. Bounced again. Coming down toward 31. I'd like to see it there. That would be really nice for General Motors stock. Micron, MU stock, holding that $50 level really nicely. Bounced off of it here. Hit resistance at 65. Strong resistance. Was support, became resistance. That often happens, you'll see, if you watch for these technical levels. Down to 50 and holding it for several days in a row. Give or take a few pennies. Almost $50 on Friday exactly. Almost. This is a good price, I think. And Neo stock, also at a good price. FinViz could have drawn a line at $10 for support if they wanted to, but they didn't. That's okay. Look how nicely it held $10. It'll head fake you though, right? Look at the wick or shadow on this little red candle here. It looked like it was going to go way below $9 and then came right back up that same day. All right, watch out for the head fakes. A lot of candles showing support for $10 and also this past week. Landing at $9.75, a little bit below $10 for Neo stock, NIO. Looking pretty good. It's hard to pick a good one. I'm very enthusiastic for 2023 for some of these or at least the beginning, first week of 2023 for some of these stocks. I'd have to say Occidental Petroleum. Just the gradual incline and how many data points here for the support and resistance. Be aware of the resistance. Watch those levels, not just support, but resistance. So you can have an idea of when you might choose to get in as well as have an exit strategy of some sort. And you can rinse and repeat this one if you want to. Always your decisions. Don't do what I do or what I say. Do what you want to do. All right. So I hope it's an amazing week. I hope all these stocks that I like pan out as hoped. Thanks a lot for watching and listening. I will talk to you again soon.